Hey everyone, I'm back. It's been a while because there's been really nothing to get excited about, as far as I've been concerned, in DeFi for a very long time, so I haven't been inspired to make any videos about anything. However, it's all changing now because this new platform, Perpetuals, is launching soon, and I'm very excited about it. So the reason for making this video is to introduce a Medium article that I want you to read, and I've made some slides just to help to keep me focused. There's only 10 slides. I've kept it very light deliberately. I'm not going to bore you with loads of information. Read the Medium article and watch the video that I'm linking as well by Crypto Stew, which explains the opportunities for investors in this. Right, let's dive into the slides. What is Perpetuals? It's a new platform for leverage trading crypto, forex and commodities. It's on the base chain. It's launching soon. You don't need to be a trader to benefit from this. I'm going to talk about how you can make passive income from this platform without being a trader, just simply by being an investor. Early investment opportunity is right here, okay, through the token generation event, which I'm going to talk a little bit about. Why am I investing in this? I'm not a trader, but I'm going in heavy to the TGE. I already bought in during the seed round, which closed last month. At that point, I didn't really understand what I was buying into, but I've already invested with this team before for over a year, and the returns have been fantastic and very steady and predictable. Way better than I could have got in any other DeFi project. So it's given me enormous confidence to invest already. I've put a chunk into the seed round, and I'm excited about the potential for long-term rewards. This is not a chuck your money in and then try and get out as fast as you can before it collapses. This is a real DeFi project platform that provides a legitimate service to people who want to trade with leverage. That's basically with borrowed funds. So the rewards for the investors come from the fees for the trades, and this has a genuine legitimate revenue stream. So it's a long-term investment as far as I'm concerned. I'm not interested in learning about trading, at least not at the moment. Maybe further down the line I'll be interested, but right now I just want something that I can put a chunk of money into and watch it grow and generate returns for me, passively preferably. So you can buy FDX tokens and hold them for price appreciation. Now I've simplified it a bit there. That's not exactly what's going to happen. I mean, you can do that in the future, but right now we're talking about getting into the token generation event. So you're not buying the FDX tokens yet. The TGE is currently open, and the target is 575 ETH, of which we're over 30% of the way towards. So if you want to get into this, just be mindful that once that target is reached, that's the end of the TGE. That means that you've missed your opportunity to get in early into this, to get the best price, get your tokens at the best price. The more ETH that's contributed, the higher the launch price of FTX. But I'm assuming that it won't close until the 575 has been reached, because I do believe that that's going to be easily achieved with it already being over 30% filled. The next 30% will probably go fairly quickly, and then the last 40% I'm sure will fill up very rapidly. So keep your eye on the official page, which I've got a link to in the description for this video, and check how much ETH has been committed to, or rather raised for the launch so far. When you see that it's escalating pretty fast. Just don't be late is what I'm saying. Once 500 ETH has been raised, that last 75 is going to go very quickly, I think. So be ready. I don't want you to miss this opportunity. Investment options after the TGE. You'll be able to stake your FTX tokens that you've acquired in the TGE, be able to stake them with Ethereum to earn revenue, ongoing, long term. You'll be able to provide liquidity in the FLP pool with stablecoins like USDC. This is not something that I've investigated very far. I just read this on the white paper. And both of these options offer passive income and potential extra bonus rewards. It's not complicated. I'm making it seem complicated, I think, and it's not. You don't need to be a DeFi expert. You simply buy the FTX tokens early in the TGE, preferably, and then you choose whether you want to hold onto them or stake them. Holding for price appreciation or staking for additional rewards. FlexPerps offers flexible, easy ways to earn. What are the potential rewards? You've got to watch the video by Crypto Stew, and the description below contains a link to that video. You have to watch that because it's fantastic. In that video, Crypto Stew used a $10,000 investment for example forecasts, and he explained how potentially that could turn into a $53,000 investment. I can't explain it here. You've got to watch Stu's explanation of it. Higher token prices equals bigger potential rewards. That's like obvious, isn't it? I don't know why I put that on that slide. Thanks, ChatGPT. What are the risks that you need to consider? Market volatility, obviously. Prices can fluctuate, and they generally do. Liquidity risks. Impermanent loss when staking is something that you do need to be mindful of. By all means, get excited by this video, by the article that I've written, and by the video that Crypto Stew put out recently. Get excited about it, but remember that this is crypto and DeFi, and impermanent loss is a very real threat to your capital and your ongoing earnings. The success of the platform really depends on the adoption. How many people out there are looking to do leverage trading? Well, a lot, I can tell you, because this platform has come about from a partnership with a platform called HMX, which has already built the technology to do all of this stuff on the Arbitrum chain, and the returns for those investors has been really something phenomenal. So there's a big potential demand for this on base chain, and Flex is going to be the first of its kind on the base chain. So what's next? Refer to my Medium article for more details about the risks. I did put a bit more info in about risks in that Medium article. Do read the article, please. I can't fit all the info into this video. You'll get really bored if I tried. My final thoughts. Early participation in the TGE is key. It doesn't matter whether you buy in now or in 2 weeks' time. The only thing that matters is that you get in before it closes, because once it's closed and the token price is established, then people are going to start trading that token, and the price potentially could go significantly higher than it is established after the TGE. So early participation is key, in the sense that don't miss this opportunity. Don't wait until the TGE has finished. Get in before it closes, and it'll close once the 575 ETH has been raised. Keep that in mind. There's not a specific deadline for this. It's offering long-term rewards, which is what I really love about this, and passive income opportunities. Long-term, yes please. The things that I thought were going to be long-term have turned out to be disappointingly short-term so far, but this really I feel differently about. If you're ready to join, use the link in the description below or in my Medium article, where the Medium article explains the steps that you need to go through in order to get into the TGE. It's very simple. I'll say it very quickly here. You need Ethereum and it needs to be on base chain. You can use MetaMask, grab your wallet. You can buy your Ethereum wherever you normally buy, and then bridge it over to base chain. However you normally do that. If you're not sure, quick Google search. Once you've got your Ethereum over to base chain, head to the TGE page where you can, I'm not sure the correct term here. I don't know if it's buy. I'm not sure. Buy, where you can commit your ETH to the TGE. It's very straightforward. Watch that video by Stu. Get excited. Obviously, there are risks. This is DeFi. Potentially, you could lose. You could lose everything. Only invest what you feel you can afford to lose. I know you've heard that before. It's got to be said because this is the nature of this. This is DeFi and it's high risk, but the rewards potentially could be very, very fantastic. So I'll leave you on that note. Any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button for me, please. All the best. Over and out. Oh, minimum investment 0.05 ETH, which currently is about, it's not much over $100. You're probably going to get an easy 3x, maybe 5x, possibly even a 10x or even higher over the next few months. That's pure speculation though, but it is based on the way that the HMX platform has worked so far. People who got in early in that one have been very glad that they did. So if you can afford to chuck a few dollars worth of ETH into this, I don't think you'll regret it. I can't, obviously no guarantees. I don't think you'll regret it. I fucking hope so, because I'm putting a big chunk into this, and I really hope I don't regret it. So end of now. Over and out.